In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. If your featured photos or featured collections have suddenly disappeared from your profile, don't worry, this is a quick fix. The most common reason is that professional mode is turned on for your profile. Professional mode changes the look and options on your profile to give you creator tools, and in some cases, that can hide or reorganize the featured section. The solution is simply to turn professional mode off. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you're having the issue. From the main screen, tap the menu icon and then tap your profile to open your personal timeline. The menu icon might look like 3 lines, and depending on your device, it can appear at the bottom or the top of the app. Once you're on your profile, look to the upper right corner and tap the 3 dots. This opens your profile settings and tools. Here you'll see a list of options that control how your profile behaves. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Turn Professional Mode Off. Go ahead and tap that. Turning this off switches your profile back to the standard view, which brings back sections like featured so your selected photos can appear again. If you see a notice explaining what changes when you turn it off, read it and continue. After a moment, your profile will update and your featured photos should be visible again on your profile page. That's really all there is to it. Open Facebook, go to your profile, open the profile settings with the 3 dots, and turn professional mode off. This addresses the layout change that was preventing your featured photos from showing. Give the app a second to refresh, then return to your profile to confirm the featured section is back. It's the same simple process on most recent versions of the app, whether you're on iPhone or Android, and remember, you can always revisit this setting later if you change your mind. Quick note, professional mode is designed for creators who need insights and monetization tools. If you rely on those, keep in mind that turning it off hides those professional features. You can always return to the same settings to turn professional mode back on later if you decide you need it again. This quick change is the key to restoring your featured section when it goes missing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.